How to remove Gmail calendar from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll down the list and tap on Mail. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your mail appears. Then, go to Mail Accounts. You can view all your mail accounts over here. Tap on the account you want to edit. For example, Gmail. Here, turn off the calendar's switch as shown to remove it. You can also remove the other tools like Mail, Notes and Contacts if you want. Following these steps, you can easily remove Gmail calendar from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.